Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 4th, subject Marigold. Textbook. Unit 7. In our previous video we have completed a poem of Watering Ram. Now today we will start a story, The Giving Tree. Unit 7 on page number 121. Here a story given, The Giving Tree. So we all know that tree is very important part of our life. Tree is very useful for us and trees are our best friend. So without tree we can't imagine our life. So this story is on tree. And so how trees are useful for this child in his life. So let's see. So first we will read. How do you feel when you help someone? How do you feel when you share your things with others? Read this play to know how a tree feels when it helps a boy. So let's see. So first narrator says, once there was a tree and it loved a little boy. Every day the boy would visit the tree and enjoying its company. So here narrator says that once there was a tree and it loved a little boy, and every day the boy would visit the tree and enjoy its company. So let's see. Tree says, come here my boy, come and climb up my trunk and swing from my branches. Then boy says, ah, what fun. Tree says, are you hungry? Eat my apples. So boy says, eating apple, how delicious. Narrator says, when the boy was tired, he slept under the tree. The tree was happy to give its shade, but time went by and the boy grew older and went away. The tree was often alone. After some years, one day the boy came to the tree and the tree was very happy. Tree says, come my boy, come and climb up my trunk and swing from my branches. Boy says, I am too big to climb and play. I want to buy things and have fun. I want some money. Can you give me some money? Tree says, I'm sorry, but I have no money. I have only leaves and apples. You can pluck my apples and sell them in the market. Then you will have money. The boy happily plucked the apples and carried them away. The tree was also happy, but the boy stayed away for a long time, and the tree was sad. One day the boy came back, and the tree shook with joy. Then tree says, come boy, come and climb up my trunk. Swing from my branches, eat my apples, play in my shade and be happy. Boy says, I am too busy to climb trees. I am getting married and I need a house for my wife and children. Can you give me a house? Tree says, I have no house, but you may cut off my branches and build a house. So the boy cut off the tree's branches and carried them away to build a house. The tree was very happy, but the boy stayed away for a long time and the tree was sad again. And when he came back after some years, the tree was so happy that it could hardly speak. Now the boy was a young man. Tree says, come boy, come. What can I do for you? So young man says, I am going on a business trip. I want a boat to take me away. Can you give me a boat? Tree says, all I have left is a trunk. Cut down my trunk and make a boat. Then you can sail away. The young man cut the trunk of the tree and sailed away in a boat. The tree was left only with a stump. And after a long time, the young man came back again. Now he was an old man, but the tree recognized him. Tree says, I am sorry, friend, but I have nothing left to give you. My apples are gone. Old man says, my teeth are too weak for apples. Tree says, my branches are gone. You can't swing on them. Old man says, I am too old to swing on branches. Tree says, my trunk is gone. You cannot climb. Old man says, I'm too tired to climb. Then tree says, I am sorry. I wish that I could give you something, but I have nothing left. I am just an old stump. I am sorry. Old man says, dear tree, you have always given, but now I don't need much. Just a quiet place to sit and rest. Tree says, well, an old stump is good for sitting and resting on. Come, friend, sit down and rest. The old man did, and the tree was still happy. Okay, now here are some new words. So let's know their meaning. Swing. Swing means to move back and forth. Delicious. Delightful or tasty. Pluck. That means to quickly remove. Then trip. That means a journey. Stump, that means the bottommost part of a tree. And recognize, that means to identify someone whom you have seen before. Okay, again, swing, that means to move back and forth. Delicious, that means delightful or tasty. Pluck means to quickly remove. Trip, that means a journey. And stump means the bottommost part of a tree. And recognize, that means to identify someone whom you have seen before. Okay. Okay, now here are some question given. Let's try to give their answers. Reading is fun activity. First question, how did the boy enjoy the company of the tree? So answer is, the boy enjoyed swinging from the tree's branches, eating its delicious apples and sleeping in its shade when he was tired. Then, how did the tree help the boy earn money? So, the tree asked the boy to pluck its apple, sell them in the market and earn money. Then third one, what did the boy make with the branches of the tree? So answer is, the boy made a house with the branches of the tree. Then what did the boy make with the trunk of the tree? So the boy made a boat with the trunk of the tree. Then how was the stump of the tree useful? So answer is, the stump of the tree was useful for sitting and resting on when the boy became old. Then, why is the play called the giving tree? Why is the play called the giving tree? So we can say that the play is called the giving tree because the tree gave away everything to the boy. When the tree was left only with the stump, even that was useful to sit and rest on when the boy became old. The tree always gave but never got anything from the boy. Okay, now these questions answers you have to write in any notebook and you have to practice to read this story. After that you will try to give their answers. Okay, thank you.